Welcome to the Network Plan Plus BOW. Disagreements arise time and again within the construction industry. As a member, we offer you easy access to professional mediators to resolve even seemingly insurmountable disputes. Use the network to find experienced mediators for industry-specific conflicts. In this way, differences of opinion can be resolved efficiently and often out of court. In this video, you will learn how to use the access to mediator services as a member. Log into the member portal with your membership details and click on Show All Benefits in detail. Scroll down to Access to Mediator Services and click on Access to Mediator Services. The Mediator Services form will open with brief instructions. Click on Request Mediator Service. First, please fill in the details of your mediator service request. Under Description of Request, please describe the reason for your request. Provide information on the type of conflict, time periods, persons involved, and previous attempts to resolve the conflict. Then select the urgency and your preferred format of mediation. Please also specify what language requirements you have for the mediator. If necessary, provide more detailed information on these points in your description. Then click on Continue. In Step 2, please enter the contact details of the person from your company whom the mediator should contact. Please enter at least one contact person. An additional contact person from your company is optional. In order to forward your request to a mediator, we also need your consent that the contact persons named may be contacted by a selected mediator. To do this, please check the box Mediators may contact us via the email addresses provided. And then click Continue. In the third and final step, you will see a summary of the information. Please check your details carefully once again and, if necessary, click on Edit to make any changes. Once you have checked all the details, please tick the box, I confirm that all details have been filled in correctly. And then click on Request Mediator Services. Your request will be forwarded to our partners, together with your company details, which are stored in our system with your membership number. A mediator will then contact you using the contact details you provided and assist you. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and will assist you in making better use of all the benefits offered by the Network Plan Plus BOW. If you have any further questions or in need of additional support, our support team is always happy to assist you. With every recommendation, our network grows, and so do your own benefits as a member. More contacts, more expertise, and an even wider range of experienced partners in the planning and construction industry. Recommend us to your friends and business associates.